Hi guys, welcome to the project exercise of principal component analysis. In this project, we are going to use a very famous dataset called iris. The iris data have only 4 features and may not be ideal dataset for PCA. However, our goal is to apply and practice the skills that we have learned in the previous section. Just a quick overview on the project. So we will load the dataset from iris datasets and then create the plots and answer these questions which are actually asked in this project sheet. Then we will apply the principal component analysis and get two principal components for the iris dataset. And we will plot principal component 1 and principal component 2 along x and y axis. Then we will create a heat map. At the end, we will apply support vector machines algorithm and see how this algorithm works on principal components PC1 and PC2 and how the predictions are at the end. Let's move on to the next lecture, which is actually the project solution. Before moving forward to the solution, I recommend try to answer these questions in this code book. See you in the next lecture. Good luck.